4 types of tissues. In this video, we are going to talk about connective tissue, epithelial tissue, nervous tissue, and muscle tissues. So let's get started with connective tissue. Connective tissue is one of the 4 types of tissue found in our body. Connective tissue helps provide structure, support, defense, transport materials, and binds things together. Connective tissue is unique and that consists of cell fibers. These fibers include collagen fibers, which are tough fibers, and elastic fibers. In addition, the cells are separated by a ground substance which made up of water, fluid, and a mixed proteins called matrix. There are several different types of connective tissue. Loose connective tissue. It is composed of collagen and elastic fibers. It is found in and around blood vessels and organs. Next, you have fibrous connective tissue. They have a large amount of collagen and few cells. They are found in tendons and ligaments. Cartilage is a connective tissue. It is found in the end of bones and nose and ears. Adipose connective tissue is body fat and it is used for insulation and to help store energy. Blood is considered a special type of connective tissue, and the cells are separated by fluids. And bones are also considered a type of connective tissues. So, as you can tell, connective tissues are important. They help attach the bone to bone, muscle to bone, move materials around in a form of blood, give a structure in the bones, and also helps restore some fat tissues. Epithelial tissues. Our epithelial tissues line cavities and cover surfaces of vessels and organs. They provide several different important functions. First is protection from such as sunlight and pathogens. Next is secretion of sweat or hormones and even mucus. They are also involved in absorption and exchange, for example, oxygen and carbon dioxide, or exchange to epithelial tissues. And also, epithelial tissues are important in sensation, in how we touch and feel our world. Epithelial tissues are divided into several types and are classified by both their shape and their number. First, you have squamous. Squamous are like pancakes. Their width is greater than their height, and usually you can find this in lungs and blood vessels. Next is cuboidal. Cuboidal tissues have a width and height, which is the same like a cube. Many times you can find this in important glands. Next is columnar. Columnar tissues are just like a column. Their height is greater than their width, and you can find this in digestive tract. They are also divided into simple, which are in one layer, and stratified, which are multi-layer. Epithelial tissues again line outside of our body, inside of our vessels, and help keep us alive. Many nerve tissues are made up of nerve cells, which are called neurons. Their job is to transmit electrical signals throughout the body. They allow your brain to communicate with your body. A neuron has several parts. First, they have a cell body. The cell body contains the nucleus and other organelles like mitochondria and ribosomes. They also have structures called dendrites, and they look a bit like tree branches. These dendrites receives electrical signals from other neurons. Next, a neuron has an axon, and the nerve signal passes down the axon. An axon has insulation in a common shift at the end of the axon. We have an axon terminal that communicates to dendrites of other cells, and this allows electrical signals to pass and flow throughout the body. There you have nerve tissues, a group of neurons working together to pass electrical signals from your brain to many parts of your tissues. Muscle tissue. Muscle tissues. Muscle tissues are responsible for movement inside and outside of the body. In addition, they help with your body posture, and also they produce heat. Muscle tissue has the ability to contract and get shorter and then relax and return to their original size. There are three main types of muscle tissues: smooth muscle, cardiac, and skeleton. Cardiac and skeleton are striated muscle because these muscles have regularly repeated stripes which are formed by protein called myofilaments, which cause these stripes in the muscles, and you can see these stripes and myofilaments in the pictures. Smooth muscles do not have this arrangement of myofilaments. Smooth muscles are found inside the digestive tract and inside veins and arteries. Take a look at this smooth muscle, helping to move blood throughout the body. Smooth muscles are involuntary muscles, which means you do not have to think about them in order for them to work and help in the food waste and blood throughout our body. Skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles that work with bones in order to help us move around. Skeletal muscles are attached to the bones by tough connective tissue called tendons. And finally, cardiac muscles are striated muscles found in the heart. They are kind of a mixture between smooth and skeletal muscles. These muscles help the heart pump blood all day. Take a look. Again, we have three types of muscle tissue: smooth, skeletal, and cardiac. Thanks for watching.